learn baking together. Me and Danya are right now at the baking academy or the baking classes, and I am so glad that I brought her here for many reasons. One, because we are actually having really fun, and two, because learning how to bake or baking, it is proven that it helps in the child development in so many ways. One of them is to teach child patience. It teaches child also math, the different types of ingredients, how many grams, how many ounces. And it also teaches the child a teamwork spirit and how the child can, okay, I think there's this part here, but teamwork and how the child actually can communicate with the other cooks or the other chefs and whatever, okay? I mean, of course, you as a parent, you can definitely send your child to the cooking class, and that's perfectly fine, but the way I see it is that by sending your child, to doing this activity, you and him or her together is definitely one of the best memories. Danya, every week we're coming here to cook something new. How about that? Danya, how about the edges of the Oreo? You see, for example, the edges here? See, we need to cover the edges, right? Okay, so I'll cook you the cream and you cover them? Okay, like this. Okay? We're decorating, we're on the final stage of decorating our work of art, our masterpiece, and I cannot wait to test it really, or to taste it. Perfect. Okay, Danya? And we've learned so many things about mixing different ingredients, about baking time, about how to actually whisk and add or pour and all that. Not to mention, of course, that this will develop the sensory and the culinary skills of your child. Maybe Danya will become a chef in the future. You want to become a chef, Danya? You want to have your own restaurant? What? Then how? Danya, what is this? What is this mess? So, you want to, cover it? Oh, wow. Okay, let me just show to the camera how it looks. This is our masterpiece. Okay. Is there anything need to be done? Oh, that's it. You want to flatten? Okay. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be perfect. Nothing is perfect. Oh. Okay. You're killing me, this. So what? You're covering it with cream and then you're licking the cream and you put it back. Okay, whatever, Danya. Okay, then this part needs some flattening here. Yeah, flattening, not with your tongue. Okay, I saw the real talent of Danya, the chef. Okay, it is unmatched. Okay, but okay, Danya, let's wrap this episode. What do you want to tell them? What do you want to tell them, Danya? What do you want to tell them? Let's wrap it up. It's one more Oreo? Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Where do you want to put it? You have to strategically locate it. Okay, Okay. There we go. So one of the best ways to bond with your child is definitely learn baking together.
Use your hands to scrape it out.
Can you use my hand? Yeah, I do. Because you have smaller hands. So the more you mix down there, the more it gets calmer. Alright.
Use your finger to scrape it out.
finish all of this and put it here.
And then put it in the oven.
Yeah. Okay, so mix, like I said, like a rotation, like circular. Right? It's tiring, right? Oh my god, this is like a demon kind of sound. Okay, I'll help you. Yes.